Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Quicks Overload. And finally, part 3 na to guys. So this is the very last na yet for Cebu Safari, okay? So thank you so much for waiting for the last part, and thank you for watching. Once again, thank you guys. And what are we waiting for? Let's watch the bird show.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing our host for today, Miss May. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Hi. Now, did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry a message to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy as our firefighter friends can show us awesome things, amazing sounds, plus participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed with our firefighter friends? Yes, alright, now to start, we'll let you know our partner on the stage, Mr. Ian Chua, or Ron, normally Africa. Alright, here you go. Now, Amigo originated from South America. Check this out, you picture the ring and belong to the ring. What's the next thing to do, Amigo? Open the ring. I'm trapped inside Big Bird. Next one, buddy. Now, you picture the little kid who belong to the ring again. Open the ring again and jump inside Big Bird. Next one, Amigo. Now, you picture the custom duck. Open the ring again and jump it inside. Now, see if the birds can do, why can't we, right? So always remember to put all your trashes in the trash bin. It's because cleanliness is next to godliness. Now everyone, Amigo together with the spine feather friends is something jealous. What do you want to say, Amigo? Pull it up, buddy. Come on. Yeah. Pull it up. Ready? Okay, everybody, come on. Don't reach out. One. What do you want to say? You want to say something? Alright, welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. Now, here's our team blue alpacas that fly like garland wave. There's more, so fly down to the stage, my friends. Alright, there we go. Now we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Party, Bad, Tony, Flying Card, and also we have a green macaw named Rico. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. So when they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. So lahat tayo, they love to eat a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And we also have the parrot that it can crack a hard shell now. So in the wild, they can live to 20 to 80 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 90 years. Alright guys, so I'm going to come to them for food. A round of applause for flying macaws. Alright, now our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and a very handsome bird. Now I need your help to color next below. So you probably love the Philippines, right? Oh, that's great. Oh, no, we're also, buddy. Look at the picture carefully. It's a tiger. And what is the spelling of a tiger? Ready? What is the first letter, Jumbo? Okay, for the first letter, he picks up the letter T. How about the second letter, buddy? Now he picks up the letter I. Good bird. Third letter, Jumbo? No, for the third letter, he picks up the letter G. Nice one, buddy. Now we're down to the fourth letter, Jumbo. Now for the fourth letter, he picks up the letter E. Last letter, buddy. You can do it, come on. Now he picked up a letter R. Now tiger spells T-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Yes, but it seems too easy for Jumbo. Now let's make it more difficult. Okay, so after the spelling test, we will be having the mathematical test. Now let's have an addition. Now I want you to choose two numbers between 1 to 10. First number, please. 9. Okay, how about the side? Sorry? 4? 2? Okay, 9 plus 2. Okay, Jumbo, what is 9 plus 2? Okay, it's a secret for now. Now, Mr. Ryan, what is Jumbo's favorite food? What makes him smart?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
Alright, Jumbo loves a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Now, kids, don't forget to eat your fruits and veggies because it will make you smart just like our bird Jumbo. Mr. Ryan, I wonder where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu, Safari.
Jumbo studied at the University of Cebu Safari. Now, we're also buddy, what is 9 plus 2? 9 plus 2, okay? It's addition, so think carefully. Don't get too easily, alright? First number, he picks up the number 1. How about the second number, buddy? Now, for the second number, he picks up the number 1 again. So 9 plus 3 equals 11. Alright, also going in the honey Jumbo. Bye! Now, by the way, as you have observed, we are not wearing masks during our show. It's because our birds got scared, so they're not comfortable seeing the bird trainer and host wear masks. It's just for the show. Now, at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I need a volunteer! Volunteer, everyone! Okay, sir? Or... Alright, now just please follow the instruction of Mrs. Side. Your arms? Okay. Right. Now I have a reminder. Bunny, you're so excited. Okay, so our seconder named Bunny. Now did you know that seconders have a lot of information that Dante is Bunny and green wings. So your seconder are all green color. And they're very playful and seem to be allies. So they spend most of the time in their nests playing. And they're also called the sand parrots in South America. The third time they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Alright, well I guess Bunny's trying to school. Okay, bye buddy. Now thank you so much for serving. Now take your seat. Now I need another volunteer. How about this side? Another volunteer, anyone? Okay? Okay, now please stand at the bridge and face the audience. Okay, follow the instruction of a certain way. Okay, hold it with your one hand, ma'am, and please don't dress your movement. Now I want you to meet our another room second our couple, Brett and their friend, Tim, Dom, and Jay. Yes, Jay is high. Now, settlers are monogamous type of breed. That means they will only have one partner for a lifetime. And when the partner dies, that's the time they will find for another mating partner. So in the wild, they can live 20 to 25 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 30 to 35 years. Thank you so much, Lynn and Don. Now, thank you so much for having me. Take your seat.
Suruh balik.
Alright, now I need another volunteer with a peso bill. I need someone fun with money. Okay, so hi mom, please proceed to the stage. Good afternoon, welcome to the show. What's your name? Joy. Miss Joy, please come forward. Do you have your money with you? Do you have your money? Okay, can you show it to us? There you go. Now Miss Joy has 1,000 pesos. Now I want you to fold your money into half 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, then. Okay, 1, 2, then 3. Nice. Now stretch your arms and hold the money like this. Okay, just relax, Miss Joy. Okay, are you ready? Ready. Now everyone, I want you to be the twin brother of Bunny or another cute and fluffy centaur named Sunny. Come on, Sunny. Alright, now Sunny loves money. So, Bunny, I have 1,000 pesos here. What will you do? You ready? Okay, I think you see something. You see something? Alright, now he buys Miss Joy. And what will you do next? Pick her money up. Bye bye, Miss Ryan. Alright. Bye bye, Sunny, and bye 1,000. Miss Joy, thank you so much. Bye 1,000. Say bye. Okay, Miss Joy, don't worry. Your money is in good hands. It's safe. Okay? 100%, 1,000% safe. Okay, bye. Oh, wait. Do you want your money back? Or not? Oh, so generous. Hey, mom, please come back. We will return your money. I'm just kidding. Okay, please. Now, I want you to stretch your arms up in your palm. So, when Sunny returns her money, just grab the money in, not Sunny, okay? Okay. It's 100 pesos, right? 100? It's 1,000. It's 1,000. Now, Sunny, please return the money. I know you love things more than Sun. More than money, buddy. Come on, you ready? Now, what will you do? Now, he flies to Miss Joy and put her money back. Five bucks, Ryan? Ready? Alright. Now, round of applause for second name, Sunny. Miss Joy, thank you so much for your mercy. Cardinals, the most commonly kicked Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness, right?
Yes, that's right. And we make this episode watching here every day.
Again, this is Lani and
And this is Ronnie.
so let's try them, okay? Can you say hi?
Say hi.
Say hello, buddy. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Louder, please say hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Now, Miss Janice, what else can they mimic?
Well, they can mimic different sounds of their animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog.
Look at it all.
Yes,
Wow.
and they can also mimic a telephone ring.
That's great. Now let's try the rooster first,
Alright.
alright? Nobody wants the sound of a rooster. Then say kangaroo.
Again.
Kangaroo. It's a cat. Okay. What's the sound of a cat?
Cat.
Again. What dog? Did you give a bark? That's a cat. How about dog?
Dog.
How about someone ringing buddy? Okay. Alright, great. Now I have a question. What will you do when you see a beautiful girl? See a beautiful girl over there? Ah, hi. Now, Miss Janice, I've heard that Lana really has a hidden talent. What is it?
Yes, they love to sing.
They love to sing.
Yeah, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up first.
Just like an other singers do, right? Alright, let's do the warm up. Okay, everybody? Sing a la
La la la la.
Okay.
La 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 la.
I guess we're ready to sing the first song. Okay, let's do the first song.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I say. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I
Now for the second song, Strata.
say.
Wait a minute, stop laughing, okay? We're gonna sing happy birthday. Alright, happy birthday to you, the crazy love from Lani and Rudy. Now a round of applause for your friend, Amazon Karen. Now, thank you so much, Miss Jana.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Alright, now ladies and gentlemen from Brazil, let's wonder India. Because we are our Indian Lupi Val's Prince and Princess together with the mentor Miss Risha. Alright. Now, peafowl is the collective term of these birds. So, a male is actually the peacock, then a female is peahen. So, the lahang baby is called pigeon. So, the male appears more colorful than female. So, when they open their tail, that means they were attracting mating partners or they were intimidating their rivals. Ano na, friends? Okay, one, two, open up. Three, good bird. Alright, look at that. Okay, now I want you to face the audience. Just turn one more step. Wait, don't be shy. Alright, good job, good bird. Kayak, we gave them breads, grains, and also they eat small insects just like any other omnivorous type of bird. So when they're courting their partner, so they will just shake or vibrate their tail for up to 15 times in just 1 second. And also peafowls are polygamous type of birds. That means they can have multiple partners. Okay, nice one, buddy. Now in the wild, they can live 40 to 45 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 60 to 65 years. So we have 4 species of peafowls in the world: the Indian blue peafowls, the pink peafowls, the violet peafowls, and the white peafowls. Okay, buddy, face the audience one more time, then let's go back home. Ready? Okay. Go, buddy. Face the audience. Okay, good bird. Don't be shy. One more time, buddy, then let's get back home. Don't be shy, come on. Put your hands up today. Okay, one more step, buddy. Okay, you're doing great. Good job. Great job. Wow. Okay, are you good? You wanna go back home now? Okay, face the audience one more time, then let's go back home. Okay. One more step. Come on, buddy. Let's do it one more time. You ready? Come on. Big friends, are you looking? Alright, there you go. Hey! Face to the audience, buddy. Come on. Good bird, matanda ka sa stage, alright? Now, a round of applause for Indian Blue People's Prince and Princess. Thank you so much. Come on. Okay, this way please. Come on, Princess. This way please. Good bird. Nice one. Alright, good boy. Now you already witnessed the extraordinary skills and talents of our cute and fluffy birds. Now it's time to meet some ferocious raptors, our birds of prey. Now our birds of prey showcase a variety of extraordinary hunting skills and flight style. So our first bird of prey is the diurnal bird of prey. Diurnal meaning they do their hunting on daytime, and that meaning a lure handled by Mr. J. Now the lure serves as a real food on the main prey because our birds can showcase how good it is at catching his food. Are you ready, Mr. J? Alright. Now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. There you go. You can tap his lure and land it to the tree. Now, Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as raised so nobody could steal it. Now Mr. Iron has the real food or the real prey because the hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you have observed, Mr. Iron is wearing a thick gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of our birds. Again, the giant they love to eat small mammals, reptiles and birds, and they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. Alright. Now round of applause for Philippine eagle named Hunter. Now from the diurnal bird of prey, let's move on to the nocturnal bird of prey. Nocturnal is the opposite of diurnal, and that is they do their hunting on night time. Now everyone, relax and be silent. Because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine eagle, our name tattoo. Surprise! Alright, now let's talk about owl. Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head, they're bulging eyes, and their eyes are very good in total darkness, so they can see 10 times better than the human's eye. And as you have observed, they fly almost silently due to its special feather structure that reduces turbulence. So here in the Philippines, they're known locally as bukao or quadong. Ready to go, bako? One. Now, round of applause for Philippine eagle owl named tattoo. Now from the turtle, let's move on to the quick snatcher bird of prey. And with that, we need the help again of Miss Janice. So Miss Janice is a military, the real food on the real prey. With our bird is going to showcase how quickly is snatching his food in flight. Alright, you ready, Miss Janice? Okay, everyone, please help me welcome our broccoli kite named Shadow. Go away. Alright, now he flies in. Alright. Now he snatches food. Now broccoli kite is also called the red-backed sea eagle in Australia. Now they have a white plumage that set down to its breast, and the rest of its color is striking chestnut brown. Now their diet, they love to eat carrion, small mammals, reptiles, and birds, and they are found throughout Southeast Asia, Australia, and Indonesia. So here in the Philippines, they're known locally as Balong in Bisaya and Renawin in Tagalog, and they have a wingspan of 105 to 115 centimeters. So in the wild, they can live 15 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 13 years. And also, they're one of the most playful type of bird. It's because when the wind is blowing so cool, they love to soar in the cloud. Mind your back on nobody? Alright, I guess he's playing tricks with his iron, and he wants to stay with me. Now, alright, that's a broccoli type named Shadow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the medium-sized bird of prey, let's move on to one of the largest bird of prey. Now, for the grand finale, I need your cooperation. Please remain seated. No one will stand up, and don't reach out our bird. It's for your own safety. Again, remain seated. No one will stand up, and don't reach out our bird. It's because our bird is going to fly closer to you. She will showcase her flight style. Again, please sit down. Sit down, please. Alright, thank you so much. Now we have our bird trainer up there, Mr. Perez. Are you ready, sir? Alright. All set. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the
Kataguro nga doon, awantang na.
Hi everyone, are you ready for the grand finale? Alright, that's the energy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your heads up high. To our right, then, see eagle name, Marina. Now, there you go. You guys, get ready to serve. Now, white-bellied eagles also want to be on the sea. They have a white plumage instead down to 800 voice, and its back wings is dark red colored. And they are found throughout Southeast Asia, Australia, and Tasmania, and they are the second largest poplar in the world, found in Australia next to the wedge-tailed sea eagle. Now, flight down to the stage, my friend. Now, a round of applause for white-bellied sea eagle. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to see this moment, we have here our flight lorries, now from Australia. Come on, lorries. We have three
that ends our Cebu Safari tour. Thank you so much once again, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget as well to think positive. God bless you all. And don't forget as well to watch other videos of mine.